Is it possible to get Spotify Premium for free in 2025? Yes, it is possible for a limited time, but getting it for free forever is more challenging, so there are a few options you can try. First, the official Spotify free trials. Spotify often offers free trials for new users, typically lasting 1 to 3 months. Second, partner promotions. Some companies offer free Spotify premium trials as part of promotions. These can vary in duration and availability. What are the other options? If you have family members or friends who are already on a Spotify family plan, you might be able to join their plan for a reduced cost. This isn't technically free, but it can be more affordable options. Second, gift cards. You can use Spotify gift cards to pay for premium. You might be able to earn these through reward programs or find them on sale. And lastly, there are modified versions of the Spotify app that claim to unlock premium features for free. However, these apps are often unreliable, potentially unsafe, and may contain malware. It is not recommended to use them. While there are ways to get Spotify Premium for free for a limited time, it is unlikely to be free forever without resorting to risky and potentially illegal methods. If you're looking for a long-term solution, consider subscribing to a plan that fits your budget or exploring other music streaming services that offer free tiers with fewer limitations.